Are rising energy bills draining your budget? In this video, we explain why upgrading to an energy-efficient water heater is a smart choice for your wallet and the planet. Let's get started. Why water heater efficiency matters. Water heating accounts for nearly 18% of the total energy use in a typical home, making it one of the largest energy expenses for most households. Upgrading to an energy-efficient water heater can have a major impact on your budget. Models like heat pump water heaters and tankless water heaters use advanced technology to heat water more efficiently than traditional storage water heaters. Heat pumps, for example, transfer heat from the air instead of generating it, using up to 60% less energy. Tankless water heaters provide hot water on demand, which eliminates standby energy losses associated with traditional water tanks. Long-term savings, upfront investment versus operating costs. While energy-efficient water heaters may require a higher initial investment, the long-term savings make it worth the cost. For example, heat pump and tankless models can cost more upfront, but they offer significant savings over time. A heat pump water heater can save homeowners up to $330 annually on energy costs. Tankless models last longer, with a lifespan of 20+ years, compared to traditional water heaters, which typically last 10 to 15 years. ENERGY STAR certified models, like those from Rheem and A.O. Smith, are designed to optimize energy use and can help you save hundreds annually on your utility bills. So while the initial cost might be higher, these energy-efficient heaters pay off in the long run, providing substantial savings over 10 to 20 years. Additional benefits of efficient water heaters. Beyond the financial savings, energy-efficient water heaters offer several environmental benefits. By consuming less energy, these systems help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and your overall carbon footprint. Switching to a more efficient model contributes to a greener home by using renewable energy sources, such as air or water heat, instead of relying on electricity or fossil fuels. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, switching to an energy-efficient water heater is one of the easiest ways to reduce your home's environmental impact. This switch not only saves you money, but also supports a sustainable future.